Former President Trump wants the Supreme Court to weigh in on his legal battle against the Justice Department over documents that the FBI seized during their search of Mar-a-Lago. A congressional correspondent, Scott MacFarlane's outside of the High Court to explain just what Trump hopes to get out of this. Scott, good morning, because it's not quite so obvious.
Oh, it gets very intricate if you read this nearly 300-page legal motion, but it's actually a limited legal challenge in which the former president appears to be making a play to get more access to more of those documents. He's asking the Supreme Court to allow that special master, that independent legal expert, to review documents marked classified, which could allow the Trump team to get access to those documents as well as they prepare to mount a legal defense. Again, it's a limited challenge, but it's a challenge to the Supreme Court nonetheless. And the bottom line is this extends the legal battle further. It doesn't appear to impact the Justice Department investigation because the Trump team doesn't seek to block agents from examining the records, but they will nevertheless be extending this legal battle. They're hoping the Supreme Court, the conservative-leaning Supreme Court, to which the former president appointed 3 of the members, will take up his case. We know Clarence Thomas has been initially assigned this case because he oversees emergency requests from federal courts in federal cases in Florida, which is where this case initially generates. So Clarence Thomas has issued a deadline of Tuesday for the Department of Justice to reply, but history is not on Trump team's side. They tried to go to the High Court last year to block the handover of records to the January 6th committee, and Anne-Marie, that request was denied.
So this looks like it's yet another tactic to sort of extend this whole thing, which would be a tactic we've seen Donald Trump's lawyers use before in various other circumstances. But and the Supreme Court could choose not to take this up at all. But you just can't help but to think it's a conservative-leaning court, though we know the court is supposed to be independent. You have Clarence Thomas. It just happens to be within his sort of purview. But also his wife was just questioned by the January 6th committee, and she admitted that she believed that the 2020 election was sort of was stolen, to use a casual phrase. I mean, does the Supreme Court run the risk of once again appearing political if they choose to take up this case?
Well, the Supreme Court needn't even say why it's not taking up the case if it chooses not to. It can really make itself a sanctuary from the politics by not making a statement and not taking the case. But yeah, optics are everything in a midterm election cycle where abortion rights and a Supreme Court ruling are a prominent issue, if not the prominent issue in some of these races. The Supreme Court, in this case, in this very narrow case, does have the potential impact of resurfacing the court and its recent ruling as a political issue for the midterm elections.
So true, Scott. Thank you very much, Scott.